Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty and Lifestyle. Today we'll be discussing how to apply Fem Bleach on the face. Fem Bleach is a great way to lightening and even out your skin tone. So let's get started. Before you start, it's important to read the instruction on the package of Fem Bleach and make sure you understand them. And make sure you are wearing gloves to protect your hand and use a spoon to measure out the correct amount of product. To get the best result, you want to apply the Fem Bleach to clean skin. Wash your face or hand with your regular face wash. Then pat dry with a soft towel. Using a makeup brush, gently apply an even layer of Fem bleach over the areas of your face that you safe and effective product, but it is important to use it properly if you want to the best result. Step 1. Prepare the skin before you apply Fem bleach. You need to prepare your skin, cleanse it thoroughly and make sure to exfoliate any dry skin cells away. Then apply moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Step 2. Apply the bleach. Now you are ready to apply the bleach. Start even layer to the described area of your face or hand. Allow the bleach to sit on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes depending on your skin type. After the allotted time is up, use a damp cloth to remove the product foam. So guys, it is very easy steps you can follow